Hello everybody, Matt from Crypto Coffee here, and today I want to do a little bit of a different kind of video to try to boost some engagement and just test things out, throw stuff at the wall, see what sticks. So today we're going to do an unboxing video of something cool that I just got in the mail. Shout out to the company ShieldMasterz, that's Masters with a Z. They sent me this really cool HEX shield, a custom full metal shield with a HEX logo, custom made just for the community. So I'll put the link to all that in the description, but make sure you check it out, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox it really quick. So, here's what we're working with. ShieldMasterz, pretty big box, not too bad. And this is my first time opening it, so let's just see what we're working with here. Shall we? This is like a real shield, guys. I've seen these before. I saw one that Motley the Investor had, and I just had to get my own. So, they're really heavy, they're really cool, and it's basically like a real replica shield. Obviously, they tell you, don't use this, not intended for any kind of real battles, for display purposes only, of course. Look what we got here, guys. A little bubble wrap. Yeah, and here we are. My very own custom HEX shield to block all the haters. God knows we've got a lot of them. And wow, this is pretty awesome. Guys, the attention to detail in this thing is fucking cool, man. Really, really cool. They got the gradient pretty good too. I mean, it's like perfect. And the other side's got an actual handle plated with a grip. This is awesome. Shout out to the guys at ShieldMasterz. They make custom shields for everything, all kinds of stuff, sports teams and Captain America shield, whatever. But I think we've got a discount code for this as well. I'll put that, if I can find it, in the description below if you want your own. I think they're still offering discounts on these custom HEX shields. This is pretty badass. I mean, it's funny, a little unnecessary, I don't really need this, but it's great to, bring to HEX events, display proudly, the legion of the 300 OG Hexicans, It's fun to represent HEX in fun ways like this. It's a really novel, one-of-a-kind thing, and I just love stuff like this, It's one of those things that, people are gonna ask what it is, It's not just, a regular decoration. This is definitely something eye-catching that can start a conversation, so. Again, shout out to the guys at ShieldMasterz. If you want your own, link in the description below. I love this thing, man. It probably weighs about 20 pounds, maybe 15 pounds. It's heavy. It's heavy. It's all metal. Yeah. So go block your haters. Get yourself a shield. Thanks, guys. It's a short one, but I'll see you on the next video.